Okay, so in this video we are going to look into the third symmetry, which is the part of view matters what third main important, which is bilateral symmetry. Okay, so bilateral symmetry is one very important, and first thing human are considered in this one symmetry. How? Just because this not only have the dorsal this are the dorsal side, which is the top one side, then we have dorsal, then we have ventral, which is bottom, ventral bottom, and also have anterior, which is anterior head part, and the posterior, which is tail part, posterior tail part. Okay, so what exactly is this? This simply means we can, if uh, if this is the human, or like, yeah, this is human, if I could make it right. Consider this as anything you want, but look into this is equal from both sides, and if I just make a mark, equal mark, so you can look into the human dorsal, which means top side, like from like this to this top side, then we have the ventral bottom side, here the bottom side, anterior head side, like the head region, then the posterior, which is tail side, this tail side. Simply we can say any part or any symmetry simply means when we just fold it or we cut it, that could be equal. So bilateral symmetry human is the best example, just because if we cut ourselves from like head to tail, this would be equal with all of the parts from our head to our feet. It's all okay. So yes, bilateral, and that like animal of the groups collectively known as, they there's a particular name they collectively, they are collectively known as bilateria. Collectively known as bilateria, and this is one of the major. And we'll also look into the difference between them. But let me tell you, first time bilateral symmetry was seen into platyhelminthes. First time that was seen in the platyhelminthes, just because if we have any kind of example, like if we just take an example, the platyhelminthes was the first kingdom where we see the bilateral, like equal division of all of the part. So okay, and these all like symmetry, bilateral symmetry would be in which in which organism they would be in a motile organism, just because we are motile, and sessile motile means m, like move, mo motile simply means move, like the movement. So the one organism which can move are simply known as motile organism. So in this we study the motile. So yes, so if you can look into this picture, first asymmetrical simply means, if we just take in this we have the example of the plants, we can say, which is no equal division. If I just make a plant, one leaf is going here, second is here, one is on upper side of this, like this is very irregular shape, like, so if I just cut it into equal, this means they are not equal division. So this is the example of asymmetrical, which means this cannot be divided equally. Then we have the radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is, if I just made this complete center and like complete circle, here this is the central axis, then this is completely divided, like this is equally divided from central axis. Division of any body, any organism from central axis is known as radial symmetry. Okay, then with the bilateral, how, if you look into this turtle, turtle, so not only turtle but human, as I just told you, but human is done away from the turtle. You can look into this. I'm just making another organism, if I could, or leaf turtle is here. You can look into, we have just equally divided, this is one part of the turtle, on the back side with the one part. By